Alright kids, this is pretty much out. You can see the ground beneath it here. Underneath. Here, what's that? That's a piece of it. Yep, save that. That's going to go back. I'm going to cut it here on the circular saw, just cut it long and loose, and it has plenty of meat here, even though this is all breaking out. I'll glue it, put it back. Glue does wonderful things if you compress it enough. Yeah, I can sit there. You know, I cut it and it was too short, so I said, oh man, this is the age-old carpenter saying, I cut it and it was too short. So I brought it back to the saw and cut it again, and it was still too short. Imagine that. So I brought it back to the saw and, no, stop, idiot. The old saying we used to say on the job is, I cut it twice and it's still too short. But never mind. That's stupid carpenter jokes. Weren't funny then, they still ain't funny. Alright, so here, that's what we have. We're ready to roll with it. I have the other neck on the way. I don't have it yet, so there's no rush on this. I have to move all that stuff before I can cut it. And my coffee, and my glasses, and this stupid thing floating around. And that's it. This is ready to be cut right across here. And then I can trim all this stuff out and leave just enough for the neck to be cut in and dropped into that pocket. And then adjust the height too. And brand new Ibanez Geo neck. Well, not brand new used. Shark's tooth inlays. I like them.